All right, well, who fucking Ray, you know, as it always is around here, if I try to do any work on a vehicle outside, it comes a hellacious thunderstorm before I can finish. But it sure did kick up the humidity. And the question is now, after this vehicle's been running during the thunderstorm for a little while, is there water coming out of that air conditioning condenser drain line? Oh boy, yes there is. That's what you need. Otherwise, it just builds up in the basin under the condenser and it dumps in your floorboard. Of course, give Toyota a lot of credit for getting things right, but boy, who was the idiot that decided that the condenser drain should drip right onto the frame? That's absolutely idiotic. All right. Well, what you can do is get a little plastic coupler and a little more hose, and there's a bite down in there. Get a coupler and a little more hose, and run the hose down past your frame so you don't have to rot out your frame, because this is a 4th gen Toyota 4Runner, which have their own set of frame problems, irrespective of this design of having the AC drain line drip right onto the damn frame. Alright, so it's win-win today. We drained the bowl for the sunroof, and also punched out. I don't know if it was a clog or not, but it sure wasn't draining before on this. I'm not going to make this video any longer about trying to get up there and climb in and show you the sunroof drain, but I will check on that before I call it quits for the day. So there it is. Drain your sunroof, or unclog your sunroof drains, unclog your drain line for your condenser for your air conditioning, and your floorboards have a better chance of staying dry on one of these vehicles.